You're supposed to be convinced that this funny fraction is going to become the summation. The mental gymnastics aren't really that hard, but we just want to put some pieces together. But I'm going to go this direction instead. Now we know that this summation notation means this. And in pre-calculus, we learned that the sum of a series can be written this way. But then in calculus, we ruin it with all of this notation. But it means the same thing. Gross. Knowing full well that the summation notation is lurking back there, we're going to use the pre-calculus version because it's less intimidating, and our first term is 1, and our r is x. So this thing becomes this, because the first term of that series is 1, and the radius is x. Which means that this whole summation as this series can be boiled down to this nice, concise fraction. So if we want to make transitions like this one, we need to adhere to formatting that looks like this. Now, we're not here to do math. We are here to check our formatting. So if you have something like this, then I almost have the right format, but I have the wrong sign. So we're going to fix it. Now that the formatting is fixed, we can rewrite it with that sigma notation. And then when you're feeling fancy, then you can string it out like this and talk about alternating series and all that jazz. Or something like this. That's kind of in the right format, but we're going to have to do some fancy factoring. We're going to pull a 2 out of here and a 5 out of there and not worry that pulling out a 5 in the denominator creates a fraction because we're looking for format. We like the format. Then we can take our newly formatted piece and write it all fancy like. But you might have to put some matching pieces back later.